Okay, so we're on our way to the scrapyard, and we just have a modest amount, a grill and some poles and whatnot. So I'll only predict a modest amount of, I'll say $13, modest amount.
Okay, I'm gonna guess like $15.
All right, so we'll be there in a minute, and we'll let you guys know. Wow, I got a junky road here,
Yeah.
but it is a scrapyard. So.
Yeah.
All these poles. I want to get this grill first. And then the poles last.
Take it out that way, yeah. Put that one first. Mueve el vagón para atrás. He moved the packing over the back a little.
Oh, okay.
Ahí está, güey. Está pedo.
Is that it? Looks like it.
Yeah.
Put the mask on to be nice. Ah. Haha, $21.50.
Oh, I was gonna say tire, but your guess made me think.
Get in and out. I'm gonna try to back into here. Wow, I was very pleasantly surprised at the prices. It's kind of amazing how expensive scrap metal is nowadays. What did you guess? I guessed 13.
I guessed 15, so I was closer. But
And did you see the evidence? It was $21.50.
yeah,
Here, let's see the breakdown. Gianna will give you the breakdown.
the break.
Because I also had an old battery, so... Wow! Give them the breakdown of the items.
Oh, it was. Wait, what is 31? Why'd they put 31 battery?
Item number. That don't mean
Oh.
nothing.
Battery. Wait, I don't know how to read this.
Yeah, just the amount. $6 or $6.20.
$6.20.
And what's the other? That's, I don't know what it... That's the scrap metal. Yeah, let me see how they're... 153 was the weight. Oh, wow. So 10 cents a pound. Man, 10 cents a pound for scrap metal. That's pretty dang good, man. Keep in mind, copper's probably $1.
Yeah.
So that place is all right, man. I used to think scrap metal was just a penny a pound, but
Yeah.
cool. So $21.50.
See you next.
And now we're gonna go
time.
home and go out to eat with, I'm guessing, the 3 little ones and Bob, because I'm guessing the older 2 will decline, but you never know. They might want to come.
Yeah.
Wow, so the battery's $6.20. Good to know. Keep your old batteries. Bring them to the junkyard. You'll get $6.20. Thought I had another old one in the garage, but could be mistaken. Because that one came from Fields, so. Oh, and bye-bye.